Alright, the power of Qigong brings you a sense of harmony. You don't require it from outside. We only see from our own perception, which is limited. And when we watch the news or we read social media, you're only getting one side of the story. Sure, it's good to have empathy and compassion, but I'm just saying be careful what you put in your consciousness, because the world is full of suffering, but it's also full of the overcoming of suffering. And so you want to be part of the return to nature and the harmony and peace, rather than creating disharmony within yourself. Inner peace is number one, and peace doesn't mean sitting and meditating, but it can also mean being able to express yourself and fully do what you want to do as a free human being. And yoga, Qigong give you the tools to do that. When we connect with our mind and internalize the energy, then we find a sense of harmony with everything that flows through us, and nature starts to flow through us. Because let's remember that when you're doing Qigong, you can breathe with the trees, you can feel the earth. As you do this, you'll start to feel more grounded and confident, because you're connecting with the source, with the one Qi field. And everyone has Qi. Qigong is about cultivating Qi and learning how to use it, to direct and guide it, but also to move with it. So let's do some more movement practice. I do encourage thinking of Qigong as a practice, not only something you enjoy or are passionate about, because that brings discipline, brings motivation, and even inspiration. So you're learning from others, learning from yourself, but not just as a hobby or something that's fun. You have what it takes to thrive in your body and keep it as a sustainable practice throughout your life, making it a habit. Or a daily lifestyle. So this is a Qigong movement called pushing waves. Helps to release tension and don't think of it as just an arm movement, think of it as a whole body movement. So you're moving from your body, your breath, and from the feet and the energy you get from the earth. The whole thing connects upwards and downwards and outwards and inwards. It's an omnilateral experience. And the point of the earth element is to stay centered in the middle of that expansion, or at least grounded, not centered. Grounded just means aware or connected to your energy. We can push in many ways. We can even gather from the sky like this. It's a very uplifting movement. Really feel like you're gathering something. Qi. Face the sun, gather the sunlight. And internalize it, bring it into your awareness, into your center. Store it in the dantian. And I don't mean store as in like hoard it, keep it to yourself, but keep it circulating within yourself so that it boosts your energy and it extends beyond you. As people sense your energy, you can then give it back. You can let it breathe and flow through nature as well. It's really connecting with your true self, the infinite energy that you often don't see, but it's there in the wind and the spirit.